Do you ever wonder what to do with all of your scraps? Oh my gosh, I have so many. Well, I have the solution. Today we're making bookmarks. These are so fun, so easy. You only need 4-inch squares, 3 4-inch squares, and since I did not interface them, they go in your book so easily. They don't take up much space, and look how cute that is. So let's get started. So we have 3 scraps, 4 by 4. So I'm going to use these 2 blue ones, and I took this red one and just folded it in half. So the next thing you want to do is just go ahead and put that in the corner, put this other one on top, and then pin them down. And we're going to leave a little bit of a gap. Just like this. We're going to leave a little bit of a gap, maybe 3/4 of an inch on each side. So I'll go ahead, I can see this mark, you probably can't. But from here to here is a place where I'm not sewing. I'm going to use 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. So there we go. You can see that I left this gap up here on the top. So I'm just going to trim off my excess threads here. And then on each of the corners, I'm just going to trim pretty close to that edge. And then you can go ahead on the thick part and then just snip a little bit. This just helps it when you turn it inside out. We're going to do that on all 4 corners. We don't need that. Go ahead and snip that one. And then we're going to turn it inside out. So we have this spot right here. We're just going to go ahead and turn it inside out and get the corners out as much as you can. I do have this point turner that I'm going to use once I usually see how much I can get out with just using my hands. So this doesn't take that long. Something you can, if you do them in batches, you just sit at the TV and, and do this. All right. I timed it earlier. It took me 7 minutes. So it's an easy project, uses up your scraps, and they look super cute and they're very functional. I'm just gently pushing in that corner. They will be rounded. It's just the nature of fabric and all that bulk. That's okay. All right, so here we go. And I'm just going to tuck that open side in, and I'm going to go ahead and iron it. Got my iron just right here. Just going to give it a quick press, put some steam on it. Just like that, and now we're ready to top stitch and we're done. I'm going to go ahead and use the cream. I may not if I were to sell these. These are great to sell at your craft fairs. Give them as gifts. You can do so many things with them. So we'll just go ahead and start here. I'm doing 1/8 of an inch. And when you pivot, always put your needle in. Just like that. Needle in, pivot. And that's all there is, folks. And it's ready for a book. And so I'm just going to bookmark. You just slip it in just like that. And it looks super cute. So what you want outside here is your triangle. And then I always like to put something different on the back side. You can use 3 different 4x4s. Here I use 2 of the blue and 1 of the red. And it's just super cute. So let me know what you think, like and follow and comment, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.